on strong. I thought you were holding on. Be the blessing.
Hi guys! Sorry. What is the one thing that we do the most in this world? We are constantly communicating, right? We're talking, we're expressing with our friends or family, with the neighbors, with literally everyone, like office people, boss or secretary हो, staff हो या फिर
shopkeepers or rickshaw uncle, Uber drivers, literally everyone is constantly communicating. While you're fighting on a date or just casually talking to people around us or in a meeting or a conference or during a speech, literally.
we're communicating throughout our lives, either verbally or non-verbally. So communication is an essential part of getting to know someone when you're meeting them for the very first time. And what is the one thing that we do when you meet someone for the very first time? You obviously go for a handshake or a hello. It would be really weird if someone is meeting you for the first time and they come and hug you. If that person is Zayn Malik, Niall Horan, Liam Payne, Harry Styles or Louis Tomlinson, I'm okay with a no handshake rule. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is going to tell you all how a simple handshake can actually brief you about a person, let you all know an tiny bit about the person that you're going to be dealing with, what kind of personality you're going to be dealing with. Either that person is dominant or aggressive or submissive or friendly, chill, relax, or that person is not interested in talking to you. I'm sorry, but you will get to know about a person thoda sa when you meet them for the very first time. So without further delay, let's go and find out what handshakes mean. So the first one is dominant handshake, where the person who's shaking hands with you will try to face their palm downwards, not probably directly facing to the floor, but downwards to show that they want to take control or dominate the situation or the meeting or your life. The second one is submissive handshake, where it is completely ulta, completely opposite of the dominant handshake, where the person who is shaking hands with you will offer their palm facing towards the sky or towards the ceiling. So the dominant one will face it downwards, the palm, and the submissive one will face the palm upwards to let you know that you can take control or you can take charge of the situation or your life. Now this is of a person who is aggressive by nature. He's going to give you no chance to establish equality between the two of you all. He's going to keep his arms stiff so that his palm faces directly to the floor, and you will eventually have to submit your handshake into a submissive position. So this handshake is basically where a person is giving you very uninviting, dheela, cold vibe, where it is very easy to turn his palm into a submissive position. So this person can be categorized as a weak personality. Sorry. Now this handshake is by a person who basically lacks confidence. He wants to communicate with the person, he wants to gel with the person who is in front of him, but the initiator kind of misses the handshake, and the person who is shaking hands with might grab only the fingertips of the person. Now this handshake might seem aggressive, but this is by a person who wants to maintain certain distance and wants to keep you away from his personal zone or his personal territory. So this handshake should actually be done by people who know each other well, and this is the handshake which mostly politicians use to affirm honesty and reliability, but it kind of gives a reverse effect on the person who is on the other side of the handshake and makes him a little bit suspicious and alert about the situation. Now in this handshake, where the person is initiating the handshake usually grabs the person towards him, that means the person who's initiating the handshake is either from a very private person and lives in a very secured environment and feels only safe when the other person is stepping into his own territory and he is not willing to come out of his comfort zone. Then we have a proper handshake, where both the people who are offering to shake their hands will try to put the other's hand into a submissive position, but due to this struggle, the handshake turns out to be in a vertical position, trying to build more mutual respect and rapport. So these are what few handshakes mean, and I hope this will help you to get to know the other person thoda better than before. If I get a good response to this video, I'll be making few more videos where I'll be explaining what body languages and few body gestures mean. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.